Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to another new lesson for English 102, Unit 12, Lesson 2. The title is Big Sport, Big Business. Before we start, I'd like you to have a look to the objectives of our lesson today. Number 1 is to classify words related to sports, charity, and business. Number 2 is to extract specific information from a reading text. Number 3 is to identify the use of to and enough in sentences. Inshallah, today we are going to cover the 3 objectives. This is an introduction for the lesson. Think about the 2 questions below and write down some possible answers. Number 1, do you think doing sports is important? Why or why not? Number 2, how popular is the Football World Cup in your country? You have 3 minutes to think about these 2 questions. I have here some responses from some students. We have Turki Abdullah. Yes, I believe it's important because it keeps you healthy and in shape. Excellent, Turki. What about the second question? We have also Thamir Taha Muhammad. Benefits of physical activity. Okay. Reduce your health risk. Okay, excellent, Thamir. Please try to give me the answer of the 2 questions in one slide. We have also Turkey for question number 2. The World Cup is a very popular event in countries all over the world, and I believe it's fairly popular in my country as there are a lot of football fans. Excellent, Turkey. Thank you. We have also Muhammad Hussein Abdul Jalil. For number 1, yes, because sports is, I think, Muhammad, sports are, not is, okay? Sports are an important thing in our life to be healthy. Okay, excellent, thank you. We have also Muhammad Hussein Abdul Jalil. I think he is the same student, okay? For question number 2, Muhammad Hussein, yes, it's very popular. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's check the possible answers we have here. For number 1, yes, I believe it's important because it keeps you healthy and in shape. Yes. For number 2, the Football World Cup is a very popular event in countries all over the world, and I believe it's very popular in my country as there are a lot of football fans. All right? Now we have another activity. You have, as you see, some words. You are asked to put the words in the box under the right heading. You have, as you see, 3 headings: business, charity, and sport. I will give you 4 minutes to do this activity. We have Turkey Abdullah. Okay, Turkey, your answer is correct. Thank you. Ali Mukhtar. Excellent, Ali. Your answer is correct as well. We have Faisal Khalid Abdulaziz. Thank you, Faisal. Your answer is correct as well. Mahmoud Adil Muhammad. Okay, Mahmoud. Thank you. Your answer is correct. Muhammad Isa. Okay, Muhammad. Your answer is correct. Sufyan Mansour. Excellent, Sufyan. Your answer is correct. Thamir Taha Muhammad. Excellent, Thamir. Your answer is also correct. Okay, let's check the model answer. As you see, business, you have firm. Firm here means company, exports, commercial, employer, retailer, trade. And for charity, you have poorhouse, alms. Alms here means money and food given to the poor or the needy, donations, fundraising, voluntary, and aids. And for sport, you have racket, field, umpire. Umpire here means the person who makes sure that the game rules are followed. Olympic, tournament, and windsurf. Let's go to another activity. As you see, you have a reading text about the relation between sport and charity. I'd like you in 5 minutes to read the text you have and to answer the questions on the right. You have 6 questions you see. Number 1, read and decide if the sentence is true or false. Number 2, choose the correct answer. Choose the word which give you the same meaning as obligation. And I think Mr. Sadiq has studied or taught you, has taught you obligation in Unit 7 when you studied must, have to, necessity. Number 3, what is the main purpose of charity work? You will find it in paragraph 1. Number 4, what does the pronoun them in paragraph 1 refer to? Number 5, what does the pronoun it in paragraph 2 refer to? And number 6, complete the sentence or fill in the gap using words from the text. You have 5 minutes to do this activity. We have Turkey Abdullah. Okay, Turkey. Your answer is correct. Okay, thank you. Also, we have Sufyan Mansour. Your answer is correct as well. Thank you. We have Ajlan Isa Ajlan. Your answer is correct as well. Thank you. We have also Thamir Taha Muhammad. I think this is the answer of the previous activity, Thamir. Okay. We have Ali Mukhtar Mansour. Excellent, Ali. Thank you. Your answer is correct. We have Hisham Makki Ali. Excellent, Hisham. Your answer is correct. I have here Abdurrahman Muhammad. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Your answer is correct as well. Muhammad Yahya. Excellent. Okay, let's check the answers for this activity. Okay, number one, famous sport persons usually take part in a charity, so that media talks about them. It is false, as you see. Number two, obligation means commitment. Number three, what is the main purpose of charity work? To help the most excluded people. Number four, what does the pronoun them in paragraph 1 refer to? Athletes and sports persons. Number five, what does the pronoun it in paragraph 2 refer to? Working for a humanitarian cause. Number six, donates blood, as you see. Okay, let's go to another part in our lesson. And as you see, it's the grammar part in our lesson today. The difference between using to and enough. Here you have an activity. You are asked only to choose before or after in all sentences. As you see also on the right, you have a quick review for the difference between an adjective, an adverb, and a noun. I think Mr. Sadek also has taught you before the difference between them, but for in order to remember them, I'll give you a quick revision on the three words. An adjective is a word which describes a noun. For example, this is a blue shirt. The word blue here is an adjective and it describes the word shirt, which is a noun. So the adjective describes a noun and comes before it. About the adverb, it is a word which describes a verb. Like this example, he ran quickly. Quickly here is considered an adverb and it describes the verb ran. And as you see, the adverb comes after the verb. What about nouns? Nouns are words which represent a person like Ali, Ahmed, Mona, or represent a place like school, for example, or a thing like a chair, door, and so on. So now you have 3 minutes to do this activity. We have Ali Mukhtar Mansour. I think Ali, you have some mistakes, especially number one. Number one is not correct. Ajlan, your answer is correct. Thank you. Taha Fadil, your answer is correct as well. Thank you. We have Turki Abdullah. Your answer is correct. Thank you. Muhammad Isa. Your answer is correct, but I think number 4 is not correct. Number 4, yes. Let's check the answers. Okay. Number 1, 2 comes before adjectives or adverbs. As you see in this example, he drove too fast. Too fast comes before the adjective. The table is too dirty. Okay. Number 2, 2 comes also before much or many, plus nouns. And as you know, too much is used for uncountable nouns and too many is used for countable nouns. Like the examples you have, he drank too much coffee. There are too many pencils. Number 3, enough comes after adjectives or adverbs. Like this example, the driver is not fast enough. Fast enough. Enough here comes after the adjective. He studied long enough, also after the adjective. Number 4, enough comes before nouns. Like this example, there is enough sugar in my tea. Enough sugar. Enough here comes before the noun, which is sugar. Okay, this is the difference between using to and enough. Now we have an activity. In this activity, you have some different questions. For example, number 1, 2, 3, you have to choose the correct answer. Number 4, you have to use to. Number 5, you have to use enough. Number 6, you have to use to. Number 7 and 8, you have to correct the mistake. You have a mistake in the sentence and you are asked to correct this mistake. You have 5 minutes to do this activity. I have here Mohammed Hussein Abdul Jalil. Okay, Mohammed, number 1, 2, 3. Okay, correct. Your answer is correct. We have also Turki Abdullah. Excellent, Turki. Your answers are correct. Excellent. But try to look again to number 8, Turkey. Number 8. You didn't correct the mistake in number 8. You wrote the sentence as it was in the slide. Try to correct the mistake in number 8. We have also Muhammad Isa. Excellent, Muhammad. Thank you. Your answer is correct as well. Hussein Ali Salman. Number 4, Muhammad, you have to correct your answer. Number 4, it is not correct. Number 5 as well. You have 1, 2, 3, okay. But number 4 and number 5 are not correct. We have Ali Mukhtar Mansour. Excellent, Ali. Your answer is correct as well. Okay, let's check the answers. Number one, they need too much money to buy this villa. Number two, the jacket isn't big enough for me to wear it. Number three, she doesn't have enough time to do the test. Number four, the exam is too hard for me to answer. And you can remove for me. You can say the exam is too hard to answer, or the exam is too hard. Number five, the class is too noisy. Use enough. The class isn't quite enough. The box is so heavy that I can't carry it. Use too. The box is too heavy for me to carry. And you can remove for me as well. You can say the box is too heavy to carry, or the box is too heavy. Correcting the mistakes. Number seven, the food isn't hot enough, because enough must come after the adjective, not before it. She put too many sugar in the tea. Sugar is uncountable noun, so you cannot use many, you have to use much. She put too much sugar in the tea. Okay, this is the model answer for this activity. Now we came to the end of the lesson, but we have today quizzes to make the lesson more fun for you. So now prepare your mobile phones, okay, in order to prepare for the quizzes. You have the code now. You have 2 minutes to join the game. Try to do it faster, please, because we are in short of time. After 1 minute only, I will start. Okay, let's start now because we are in short of time, as you see. Okay, my dear students, as we came to the end of the lesson, I see now Abu Isa came third, Jarrah came second, and the knight of the game today is Taha Fadel Abdul Jabbar. Thank you for all participants. See you tomorrow, inshallah, and goodbye for now. Thank you.